During this period, young sturgeon are fed red worms, as these worms are rich in protein and suitable for the developing digestive systems of the young sturgeon. When the sturgeon reach a size of 5 to 10 centimeters, they are transferred to a new environment in larger tanks, where they have more favorable conditions to continue their growth. When raising millions of sturgeon in a farm, the water environment conditions are essential for their development. The combination of specialized knowledge and modern water filtration technology plays a vital role in maintaining water quality in the breeding tanks, ensuring the water is always clean and safe for life. When sturgeon reach maturity, their eggs are harvested through specialized and meticulous methods. The process of harvesting sturgeon roe includes washing the eggs under cold water to remove impurities and the outer mucus layer. Using a net to knead the eggs helps separate each egg, ensuring they do not stick together, thereby creating higher uniformity in the product preparation process. Eggs that do not meet standards or are broken will be manually removed. Each sturgeon egg is a testament to the care, meticulousness, and dedication of the passionate artisans in the industry. The process of salting sturgeon roe is extremely important, not only for preservation, but also for creating the special, refined flavor of the product. After being salted, the ROA is packaged and further sterilized using advanced technological methods. The sterilization step is the final stage, and also the important step to ensure the optimal quality of the caviar before it is exported worldwide. The consumption of sturgeon meat reaches about 500,000 tons annually, reflecting the high demand from the market, bringing significant profits to breeders. Sturgeon is not only highly regarded for its nutritional value, but is also considered a symbol of luxury and sophistication in culinary culture. The richness in preparation and serving methods, from caviar to main dishes and appetizers, has elevated sturgeon to an indispensable ingredient in the menus of luxury banquets and fine dining restaurants. To explore more about this fascinating production process and gain deeper insight into the operations of the production facilities, we invite you to follow our upcoming videos in this series. The inedible parts of the squid can then be processed in various ways, either discarded or recycled. Skilled crew members typically use knives and other specialized tools to divide the squid into smaller, more manageable pieces. Meanwhile, automated cutting machines may also be deployed to ensure consistency in the size and shape of the squid's natural color and flavor. The factory applies high-quality additives to maintain freshness and prevent color changes, ensuring that the final product meets the highest quality standards, ready to be transformed into delicious dishes. In the squid processing sector at seafood production facilities, high-tech equipment is employed to handle squid, creating various shapes and sizes to meet the diverse demands of the consumer and processing industries. The squid pieces are carefully and neatly arranged in trays following strict technical standards to ensure the aesthetic appeal and uniformity of each batch. These trays are then tightly wrapped in plastic film and heat-sealed to prevent oxidation and extend shelf life before being placed in cold storage. The squid processing process concludes with the packaging of the processed squid portions into special packaging suitable for cold storage, helping to maintain the product's freshness and quality. Not only is the squid fully utilized, but it is also classified by parts to create various byproducts, adding nutritional value and diversifying squid dishes in the market. In the diverse culinary landscape of Asian countries, squid frequently appears on the dining table in various forms. Particularly in Japan, squid sashimi is a favorite dish due to its natural sweetness and tender, chewy texture. Meanwhile, in Korea, spicy stir-fried squid delights diners with the perfect combination of fresh squid, ripe chili peppers, and aromatic herbs, offering a rich and flavorful culinary experience. To better understand the process of bringing squid from the deep blue sea to the dining table, we need to look at the squid fishing industry, a unique sector within the seafood industry. From the harvesting stage through sophisticated processing steps to packaging and distribution, Each phase requires high expertise and meticulous attention to detail to ensure the final product's quality. The squid fishing industry is not only an important part of the global seafood economy, but also provides an opportunity to explore and gain deep insights into the culinary culture of each country. Once on the brink of extinction, China has cleverly transformed them into a significant contributor to the country's economic growth. Annually, more than 10 million individuals are exported to the global market. Would you like to know what species this is and how they went from near extinction to becoming a valuable asset in the industry? Let's explore this extraordinary creature together. Our topic today is the Chinese soft-shell turtle. With ever-increasing demand, Chinese farmers produce about 13 million individuals annually. The Chinese soft-shell turtle has a unique reproductive cycle, with up to 40 out of 50 eggs laid each season. The eggs are carefully arranged in incubation trays covered with soil at the bottom to absorb the CO2 generated by the embryo's respiration. The incubation process typically lasts 60 to 90 days. However, through human intervention, this time has been reduced to only 30 to 40 days. In the process of harvesting, newly hatched turtles are carefully placed in aquatic niches to ensure safety and prevent injuries such as scratches or external impacts during transportation. This is crucial to protect the health of the young turtles. They are then gently released into rearing ponds, allowing the turtles to grow naturally and healthily. The turtle's diet includes various fish, insects, and naturally occurring aquatic plants in the ponds and lakes. To enhance growth, specially formulated pellets are provided, supplementing the essential nutrients for the turtle's growth. Turtles are fed 2 to 4 times a day, depending on their age. After about 20 minutes, leftover food needs to be removed from the water to prevent pollution in the pond. Turtles reach maturity after about 4 to 5 years, depending on the rearing conditions and surrounding environment. The high value of this species comes from its rich nutritional content and the health benefits it offers. In China, many turtle farms have been established with a minimum area of 500 square meters per farm, ensuring comfortable and suitable living space for the turtles' development. When the turtles reach a weight of 1 to 2 kilograms, they are ready for harvest. Harvesting soft-shell turtles requires the use of specialized sea nets or scooping tools to avoid harming the animals. The timing of the harvest is also critical, with the dry season being the ideal period to minimize the adverse effects of weather conditions and ensure the best quality for the turtles. After harvesting and transportation, the steps of cleaning and sorting the turtles by size, weight, and age are necessary to meet hygiene and quality standards before they are brought to market. The price of soft-shell turtles is determined based on these criteria. Other turtle species in China are also artificially bred to meet the high market demand. Soft-shell turtles are not only rich in nutritional value, but also offer many other health benefits, creating strong consumer demand. Once sorted, the qualified turtles are transferred to processing and preservation facilities in preparation for consumption. At these facilities, professional staff continuously work to ensure a stable supply of soft-shell turtle meat to the market. Soft-shell turtle meat can be prepared into a variety of diverse and appealing dishes. We hope you find the process of harvesting and farming soft-shell turtles interesting and informative.
In the field of aquaculture, squid fishing has experienced significant growth, with the annual total yield now reaching 900,000 tons. After processing, these squid products are exported to major international markets such as China. Squid fishing in South Korea and the United States has posed many challenges for the communities living in South America, especially when facing harsh climatic conditions in the deep, unexplored marine regions. Particularly, the richness of marine life here, including giant squids, sparks curiosity. How many squids are harvested in each trip? Have you ever witnessed a giant squid in person? In today's video, join Nature Farm as we explore and discover the process of catching and processing these giant squids. But first, I hope you'll take a moment to like the video and subscribe to the channel to support us And now let's get into the details. Catching giant squid not only provides significant economic value, but also offers opportunities for deep interaction with the marine ecosystem through research and understanding of intelligent marine creatures. Currently, there are about 10 commonly exploited squid species for commercial purposes, among which the short-finned squid, Ilex argentinus, and the humble squid top the list of the most sought-after species by fishing fleets. These vessels are equipped with advanced positioning technology and specialized equipment designed to optimize the efficiency of squid harvesting in large offshore areas. The harvesting process includes using high-intensity lights to attract squid to the surface, followed by capturing them with nets or specialized squid-catching tools. According to statistical data from the Ministry of Fisheries in early 2023, this country has achieved an export milestone of 320,000 tons of squid, earning $590 million USD. This result not only confirms the competitive position of the squid fishing industry on the international stage, but also contributes significantly to the stability of the economy. Seafood processing facilities have facilitated investment attraction, production expansion, thereby enhancing job supply and improving the lives of workers in the sector. Notably, the development of the squid export industry is not only a significant source of income for the country, but also promotes cross-sector economic activities, thus supporting the sustainable development of local communities and economies. We invite our esteemed readers to explore Ocean Show, a standout in the seafood industry known for its advanced and safe technologies used in production. This facility is not only renowned for its ability to preserve the freshness of its seafood, but also commits strictly to environmental protection standards. Equipped with modern technology lines, the plant produces high-quality seafood products that retain the natural nutritional values of the food. During processing, the facility focuses on maximizing the value of every part of the squid, from tentacles to soft tissues, by cutting them into various shapes and sizes. The products are then carefully packaged in individual bags, which not only preserves them better, but also makes it easier for consumers to choose according to their needs. Nutritionally, squid is considered a high-quality source of protein, containing essential minerals like iron, zinc, potassium, and calcium, which are immensely beneficial for the health of bones, teeth, and muscles. Additionally, squid is rich in omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, which support brain function and improve cardiovascular health. Thus, the processed squid products from Ocean Show are not only a nutritious choice, but also contribute to enhancing the quality of life and health of the community. In the current context of the fishing industry, the harvesting of large marine species, such as giant squid, is increasingly being restricted to make way for more sustainable fishing methods, particularly in the area of king crab fishing. For coastal fishermen, crab fishing vessels are not just a means of livelihood, but also a stable place of residence, a safe haven, and an essential source of income, especially during extended fishing trips in the Alaskan waters. The king crab is highly valued commercially and is captured using crab pots, a type of specialized trap made from steel frames and wire mesh. These traps weigh between 600 to 800 pounds, depending on the size and capacity of the vessel, with each vessel capable of carrying 150 to 300 traps per trip. The process of catching king crab involves using bait, usually fish or squid, to lure the crabs into the pots. Once captured, the crabs are kept in steel cages on board until the ship returns to shore. Each voyage of the ship and its crew usually lasts from 3 to 4 weeks. When the fishing is complete, the king crabs are transported to processing plants, where they are processed and prepared for the market. This process not only ensures the sustainability of the marine resource, but also contributes to the conservation of marine biodiversity. The production of high-quality king crab involves a meticulous and professional process. Initially, each crab is rigorously inspected to ensure they meet the priority quality standards. The team responsible for this task includes aquaculture scientists and technical staff, aiming to evaluate and select individuals possessing exceptional genetic traits and high adaptability to marine environmental conditions. Next, the crab processing is carried out with great care, including thorough cleaning of the crab legs, and removal of the shell and other unused parts. The goal is to obtain a pure crab product, ensuring hygiene and delicious flavor, creating an impressive culinary experience for consumers. In the production of juvenile crabs, the process begins with selecting individuals that have strong genetic traits and high reproductive abilities from reliable and high-quality sources. Initial care in the nurturing environment must ensure stable water and ecological conditions, closely simulating the crab's natural habitat. This not only improves the health and growth ability of the crabs, but also helps maintain genetic uniformity and purity in the juvenile crab population. During the cultivation of juvenile crabs, adding functional feeds specifically for microorganisms is an essential step to ensure the provision of all the necessary nutrients for the crab's development after hatching. This is particularly important in an artificial rearing environment, where the juvenile crabs need to be raised in tanks or specialized systems with tightly controlled temperature, density, and water quality conditions, creating an ideal environment for their development. Care for juvenile crabs includes regular measures to prevent diseases and remove infected individuals, while also ensuring the purity and quality of the breed. When the juvenile crabs reach the appropriate size, transferring them from the nursery to the main farming facility is a critical final step. At this stage, special attention must be given to preparing the mud pond environment, ensuring it meets the specific needs of the juvenile crabs to facilitate their robust development. Using a sludge stirrer to flatten and smooth the mud surface is an important part of the preparation process, helping to create an ideal environment for juvenile crabs to easily nest and hide, thereby optimizing their reproductive and growth potential. Establishing a crab release area with boxes or nets keeps them within a safe range, preventing them from wandering too far, which is crucial for protecting and enhancing the survival rate of the juvenile crabs in the new environment. Monitoring the adaptation process of the juvenile crabs after their release into the new environment is an essential measure in aquaculture management. To ensure healthy development, it is necessary to provide a continuous food supply and conduct regular health assessments. These steps not only help improve survival rates, but also enhance the commercial quality of the soft-shell crabs. During the cultivation process, claw trimming and caring for crabs in confined conditions are indispensable parts aimed at targeted production and adjustment to specific farming conditions. The transition from hard-shell to soft-shell crabs not only reduces energy needs by eliminating the need to regenerate the shell, but also increases nutrient utilization efficiency, thereby enhancing the economic effectiveness of the aquaculture process. Raising crabs that have been shelled in a controlled environment, such as a box, can stabilize the size and weight of the crabs, producing a uniform product that simplifies management and marketing. Clipping the claws and raising them in boxes not only reduces the risk of disease transmission, but also maintains a clean and healthy aquaculture environment. The molting crabs focus their energy on meat development rather than shell regeneration, allowing for the harvest of high-quality meat with increased commercial value. After harvest, the crabs are transported to factories to be processed into ingredients for various creative dishes, from stuffed crab to crab cakes, adding diversity to the menu. Crab is a premium source of protein, providing iron, zinc, selenium, and essential minerals, contributing to cardiovascular health and the immune system. Additionally, crabs are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which support brain function and improve concentration. A diet rich in crab can also aid in weight control due to its low-calorie content and high fiber content, promoting satiety and supporting the digestive system. Enjoying crab not only offers a unique flavor, but also significant nutritional benefits. We have adopted and implemented the vacuum packaging method combined with heat-shaping technology to preserve brown crabs. This process involves using shrink wrap to encase the product, ensuring safety, freshness, and optimal preservation. Vacuum packaging prevents oxidation, preserves natural flavors, and provides a protective layer, maintaining the delicate characteristics and high quality of the brown crab before distribution. To enhance the efficiency of this process, we are considering the application of robotics in handling and processing the crabs. The question arises whether robots can perform this task with finesse and professionalism. To find the answer, we will explore the integration of modern robotic technology with the preservation of the crab's distinct flavors, in the context of modern cuisine with meticulous attention to every detail. In the next part of this article, we will explore the fascinating aspects of biology in the king crab fishing industry. King crabs, planktonic creatures in the marine ecosystem, embark on their remarkable oceanic journey. Specifically, we will learn about the Alaska king crab fishing industry, an activity that typically occurs during the autumn along the offshore waters of Alaska and the Aleutian Islands. This profession is not only challenging, but also carries a high risk, with a mortality rate more than 80 times higher than other industries. However, it is also one of the most profitable fishing activities, generating hundreds of thousands of dollars in income per sea voyage. Imagine a modern fishing trawler, as grand as a technological marvel, navigating the ocean waves with high precision, ready to harvest hundreds of tons of king crab. The excitement builds as a team of seasoned sailors deploy nets and other modern tools to capture these treasures of the sea. This adventure is the perfect blend of traditional fishing techniques and advanced technology, where the crew's strength is showcased through the joy of harvesting the giant crabs, an unforgettable experience. After the king crabs are brought back to the dock, they are transferred to a processing plant. The process begins with a quality inspection to ensure each crab meets the highest standards. The team of experts continues with a thorough cleaning process, which includes removing the shell and any unwanted parts. The pure and delicious crab products are then carefully selected and processed using modern methods to maintain their natural flavor and excellent quality. Each crab, through this process, becomes a culinary work of art, ready to captivate the palates of consumers. Today's video comes to an end here. How do you feel about the remarkable development of the fishing and seafood processing industry? Please share your thoughts below this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Nature Farm channel for more interesting videos. Goodbye and see you in the next videos.